This is a vegan meal that I will be doing with some saltfish, aka bacala. So I'll be using some vegan beans to make a quick meal, lots of fiber, and I will be doing this with some saltfish. So here I am boiling my saltfish, codfish, bacala. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Here are all the seasonings that I will be using to fry up my saltfish, aka bacala, with the beans. A quick, easy vegan meal, and I'll be doing this with some hard food. So I added in all my seasonings. We don't need no salt. All we need is a little hint of black pepper, and I'll be adding a little oregano on this. I saute my veggies, and this is an all-time Jamaican favorite meal of mine. The regular baked beans, however, this is a vegetarian baked bean. If you're full vegan and you don't eat saltfish, then you can remove the saltfish, but your beans can be fried up this way. I also have another video on my channel where I did some mashed potato with the same vegan beans. Quick and easy dinner recipe. Thank you for stopping by. Please remember to like the video. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Please also remember, if it's even for a minute, to watch the video to help my watch hours to increase. Thank you. Here, once my seasonings were sauteed, I just added in my beans. I did not strain this. I added it in with the liquid that was in it. Toss this 1-2 times, and it's quick, easy, ready to go. A low budget dinner, and a dinner that can be served within 30 minutes. Look how delectable this looks. This dish looks really good, and I added me some spicy pepper because I love it, and that's my business. No ketchup, nothing at all. I just allow this to cook, and here is the finished vegan beans with some saltfish, aka bacala. I do hope you're enjoying my videos, and I'm trying to put the work in to grow my channel, and I'm hoping that you will be with me in 2023. Watch me grow and help me grow. I serve this with some cooked carrots, some sweet potatoes, plantains, bananas, and some Jamaican style dumpling. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. That was a quick, easy dinner in the week. See you soon in another video. If you made it this far, thank you.